If anyone is hating on Instacart, you are out of your mind. $350 plus today. Cha-ching! Let's get it. Starting the day off with yet again a delivery only. If we can finish this in less than an hour, then it makes sense. 30 bucks in less than an hour. That's what we want to do. All right, family, so I'm back at Wegmans. And honestly, it wasn't that bad. It was 7 minutes to the first house, 11 minutes to the second house, 13 minutes to the third house, and 14 minutes back to Wegmans. 40-something minutes for $30, not bad. It's all right. It's all right. But yeah, I just got a 38 double, but it's shopping and delivering, so I gotta go in here and do the shopping. Finish the shopping in 20 minutes, really easy, really quick. The delivery is only 5 minutes away for the first house, and the second house, I don't know how far it is yet, I didn't check. Quick money, I'm about to get me a kombucha. Which flavor, which flavor, which flavor, which flavor? Cayenne, baby. Look at my beautiful groceries all bagged up nice and neat. Y'all out here smushing people's groceries. Stop smushing groceries. 20 minutes for the shopping, 5 minutes to the first house, 14 minutes to the second house with a total of 39 minutes. Less time and more money. We love that. The early bird gets the worm. I am back and I just got a 55, baby. Let's get it. $55 order, double 53 items. Not the best batch in the world, but it's not bad at all. Considering that we're only grocery shopping, definitely not bad. Instacart shop is over there. Instacart shop is down there. Like, if I took you guys in the produce, I see at least 6 or 7 Instacart shoppers doing their thing. Come here for a minute. Come here. Come here. Look. Boom. You see that? You see that? Groceries. So right now I'm at a different store. I just swiped a 46. I don't really shop at this store that much, so it's gonna probably take a little bit longer than usual. Instacart, easy money, guaranteed money. Easy and guaranteed. Just shop, grocery shopping, bring your groceries, drop the groceries off, boom, boom, you make the money, easy. I found everything besides one item. Yo, there's always one item that's just so annoying you can't find. It's not here. I asked the employees, but look, don't spend too much time on that. Let the customer know it's not here, especially if you talk to the employees. Don't stress yourself. You're gonna take forever, refund it, and get out. My phone dies and I have to scan alcohol. Phone's dead. I got it charging in my battery. The customer was just outside on the porch. I think that's her right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want her to see me trying to film her. She'll think I'm a weirdo. Thank you, iPhone. Thank you. You guys, please make stronger batteries, please, please. So I was sitting here eating a snack. Boom, some healthy probiotics, and I just got a 48. I think it was a 48. I'm not sure. I just seen 43, 48, 45. I don't know what that second number was. It was 40 something. It's a triple though. I don't like triples. No. 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 Yo, I just missed a 126. A $126 order. Oh, the pain, it hurts. You turn your head to look at something for 2 seconds and a 100 pops up. Oh, so I missed a 126. I missed a 68 and a 69 while driving just now. I just got a 42 triple. So, I mean, it's better than nothing. That 126 hurts. That hit me right there. That hit me right there in the ribs. The lines are crazy, so they're gonna open a register for me right here. I'm waiting for the cashier to get here. He's getting the cash box. There he is. There goes my brother. He's right here. Let's get it. You guys will not believe what just happened. Check this out. You guys know about the batch I missed earlier. Y'all know about the batch I missed earlier. Just now in Wegmans, I was heating up my food. I just swiped a 96. Not here though, it's Costco's. I had to call Bella to meet me there because she does Costco all the time. She knows where everything is, so I had to call her to help me out. 96 Costco. Wow. I got a little bit done so far, just a little bit, but she knows it. What?
The camera yourself.
What?
Look at that.
Yo, get out of here, yo. When you want to make that money, you better put in that work. Check this out. Jeez. We packed.
Hold on, let me see it.
Ew. We're done. I'm done for the day. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm done. If you aren't signed up already and you want to start shopping with Instacart, make sure you check the links in the description. You can use my affiliate link to get signed up. That would be lovely. Thank you very much. Make sure you smash that like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell, drop a comment, and go follow the new Instagram link in the description. It's peace and love. We out.